Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use icons, emojis or symbols in your folders name on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to change or rename your folders with symbols, emojis and others, such as you can see on a screen, this folder's name having symbols or emojis. How to add emojis or symbols in your folder's name? Here are the process. Go to your folder which you want to change or rename with emojis or symbols. Right click on it and choose rename. Choose rename and hover the cursor, keep the cursor where you want to insert emojis or symbols and simply press Windows key plus dot. It will open symbols and emojis folders. Windows key plus dot. Conjointly press Win key plus dot and here you will find a list of emojis, symbols, a lot of emojis, symbols available here. Choose, simply click on it to insert in your folders or files name. Various type of emojis and symbols available in this folder, and you can easily rename your folders or files names with emojis or symbols. This is an interesting feature of Windows system. Now you can see your folder name is successfully with emojis, symbols and others. You can also use only emojis, symbols to your folders or files name on Windows 11 and Windows 10.